Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Vibe channel. English is very easy and fun. I am Alex.
Hi everyone, and I am Emma.
Have you ever felt nervous speaking English in public? Do you know the grammar? But when it's time to speak, the words just don't come out naturally?
Today we're going to fix that.
In this video, Emma and Alex will show you real English conversations you can use every single day in America. At work, with friends, at the store, in a cafe, on the phone, and even in difficult situations. No complicated grammar. No textbook language. Just real, natural, everyday English.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's improve your English together. Good morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Pretty good. Just a little tired. You?
Same here. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, what happened?
I stayed up too late watching Netflix. Bad decision.
Been there. What are you getting?
Probably a large iced coffee. I need energy.
Same. Mondays are rough. Backhand index pointing right, everyday phrases used. How's it going? Pretty good. Been there. Mondays are rough.
Hey Emma, did you finish the report?
Almost. I just need to double-check the numbers.
No ruse. The meeting's at 2 p.m., right?
Yeah, we still have time.
Good. I was worried for a second.
Don't worry. We've got this. Backhand index pointing right, useful phrases.
No ruse.
We've got this. I was worried for a second.
Double check. What are you doing this weekend?
Nothing planned yet. Why?
Few friends are going hiking. Want to join?
That sounds fun. What time?
Around 9 a.m.
That's early, but I'm in.
Awesome. Backhand index pointing right, natural expressions. Nothing planned yet. Want to join? I'm in. That sounds fun. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich.
I'll take the burger, medium rare. Fries, please.
Actually, can I switch to sweet potato fries? Of course. Backhand index pointing right, everyday restaurant phrases. I'll take.
Can I switch?
Medium rare.
Hey Emma, could you help me with something?
Sure. What's up?
I'm not sure how to send this file.
No problem. Click here and attach it.
Oh wow, that was easy.
Happens to the best of us. Backhand index pointing right, polite English. Could you help me? What's up? No problem. Happens to the best of us. I think I made a mistake in the email.
It's okay. We all make mistakes.
Should I send a correction?
Yeah, just keep it simple.
Good idea. Backhand index pointing right, natural responses. It's okay. We all make mistakes.
Keep it simple.
I think remote work is better.
Really? I prefer working in the office.
Why is that?
I focus better around people.
Fair point. I just like working in pajamas.
That's understandable. Backhand index pointing right, conversation tools. Really? Fair point. That's understandable. Hey, are you free right now?
Kind of. What's going on?
Just wanted to check something quickly.
Sure, go ahead.
Did we confirm tomorrow's?
Yes, it's at 10 a.m. Backhand index pointing right, phone English. Are you free? What's going on? Go ahead. Just wanted to check. Thanks for helping me earlier.
Anytime.
I really appreciate it.
No worries.
That's what friends are for. Backhand index pointing right, gratitude phrases. I really appreciate it. Anytime.
No worries.
Long day, huh?
Yeah, I am exhausted.
Same.
I'm heading home.
All right. See you tomorrow.
See you. Backhand index pointing right, ending conversations. I'm heading home. See you tomorrow.
I'm exhausted.
Notice something important? We didn't use difficult grammar. We used short, natural sentences. That's how Americans actually speak.
Exactly. If you want to sound natural, focus on phrases, not perfect grammar.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Speak first. Improve later.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Confidence comes from practice.
And that's it for today's lesson.
Now tell us in the comments, which conversation was your favorite?
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember,
You don't need perfect English. You need confident English.
see you in the next video.